Hello everyone. I'm David, an operations team leader here at CSL. Welcome to one of our many sterile manufacturing facilities, where we manufacture life-saving treatments for patients around the world. Let's continue our conversation inside. Here I am, speaking to you from inside one of our clean rooms. This is where our sterile injectable medicines are made. And before we go any further, I want to talk to you about the foundation of everything we do here, sterility assurance. So, what is sterility assurance? Sterility assurance refers to a series of steps and controls we use to reduce the risk of contamination to the product and to the clean room itself. It's not just a checklist or a final inspection. It's a mindset that guides every decision we make here, every process we follow, and every movement we carry out in this room. Now, let's answer the question of why is this so important? And the answer is simple. It's because we make sterile injectables. Think about that for a moment. These medicines are injected directly into the body, which means they bypass the skin's protective layer, our body's first line of defense. That means if even a single microorganism gets into the product, it could lead to a serious or even life-threatening infection. This is especially dangerous for patients with weakened immune systems. Sterility assurance is what we use to control this risk. For example, we manufacture in this exact type of space, a Grade A clean room. That means it's designed and maintained to be completely free of viable contamination. In other words, it is a sterile environment. But let's get one thing clear, sterility maintenance doesn't just happen by accident. It is maintained through a sterility assurance practice referred to as aseptic processing. Aseptic refers to the handling of sterile products, components, and equipment in a way that prevents contamination. Factors like air quality, equipment, materials, and personnel are tightly regulated to maintain sterility throughout the process. From every glove movement, every reach into a critical zone, or every material transfer, everything done here is with purpose, because all it takes is one mistake to compromise product sterility. So, whether you're new to this environment or just need a refresher, I want you to remember this. Sterility assurance isn't just a department responsibility, it's a site and team commitment. What we do here protects the product and protects our patients.